Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with something pretty cool. It's the IMZZ Elite Legacy riser system. It comes in a bunch of different pieces, but the cool thing is you can customize it to fit what you want, and you can also change it at a later date. These are the riser tops. These are the stanchions. As you can see, they're hollow, and they also have a hole in them for wiring. So they just pretty much screw in to the top of the stanchion very easily. And what's cool is these are clocked to sit there. This one's already been done. And what holds these guys together is this middle bridge piece. This one has a gauge mount on it. They also have some that do not have gauge mounts. So what you do is you slide this little guy into here, slide that into here, and then you take your tops and the bolts slide all the way through to the bottom, and you just screw them together. Of course, like all IMZZ products, pretty much they come with ARP hardware. And it doesn't take much to get these guys in and looking good on your bike, like so. They come in black and silver. I actually polished mine. I'm gonna put them on my Road King, so you'll see a full install on these coming real soon.